Hey, what's up guys? Bad Music Production here. How y'all doing? It's been some time since I made a tutorial, so here we are after a long time doing something. Now, basically what I've done is I'm going to be showing you guys how to make that XXXTENTACION kind of sound. Now, this is the track I worked on, and this is what I got. Oh, hit that subscribe and like.
See my angels keep calling, giving me signs and warnings, like straight to the zone. All my drillers in the back keep stalling. Don't stop, don't stop. Shoot what you got, don't flop. No. Then I woke up, it was just a dream. I must have passed out and smoke all the weed like whoa. What's going on? It's just a dream, so you gotta let it go. So I put some shoes on and I walked to the bar. It's 2 miles away, but I'm looking at the stars of the show.
So I'm still working on it, but I'm going to show you guys the effects I've added to make that voice. Now what it is when you actually start recording that, you actually record it with effects on it already. And then you add second kind of effects to it once you lay it down. So I'm going to show you the whole process of this in FL Studio right now. And we're going to go through it step by step. Now if you enjoy my tutorials, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Now this is a very, very simple tutorial in FL Studio. And I'm going to show you the whole thing of doing this. So please do hit that like button and subscribe to my tutorials. I'd appreciate that. Anyway, let's have a look on this now and let's go into it. Hey, what's up guys? So it's Bad Music Production. Now straight into this tutorial, what we're going to be doing is obviously I've got you got to put the microphone into a channel. So I'm using channel 10. I like to use like channel 10 or 20. Like a different channel that I usually use for microphone. You guys can use whatever channel you want. You click on the top here and you click on input and you just put the microphone input. So if I take the microphone off, you wouldn't be able to hear me basically. So now the microphone is in, I've got a few effects that I used. So as you can see, when I record the track, this is what I record it in, so I get this kind of sound. Now without this effect, this is what it sounds like. Now on top of these effects, I actually add another sound on top of these effects to make it sound like XXXTENTACION. Now the sound I add on top of this is another effect on this channel over here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is basically you can see the difference already. Okay, so this is what it sounds like, with the effect.
Yeah, see my angels keep calling, giving me signs and warnings, like straight to the zone. All my drillers in the back keep stalling.
Now this is what it would sound like without the effect. See my angels keep calling, giving me signs and warnings, like straight to the zone. All my drillers in the back keep stalling. Now with the effect, obviously this is what it sounds like.
See my angels keep calling, giving me signs and warnings, like straight to the zone. All my drillers in the back keep stalling. Don't stop, don't stop.
So as you can see, it sounds so much better. Now, okay, so let's record something here without the effect, just for demonstration purposes. So I'm gonna do the same line maybe again. Yeah, see my angels keep calling, giving me signs and warnings, like straight to the zone. All my drillers in the back keep stalling. So I'm gonna do the same line maybe again. Yeah, see my angels keep calling, giving me signs and warnings. Now you see it, I recorded that without the effects on. This is what it sounds like. So I'm gonna record that again. Okay, I'm gonna mute this. I'm gonna record that again, but with the effect on. So I'm gonna show you the effects now. So auto-tune, what we do on the auto-tune is we set it to alto and tenor, B, chromatic, and then you want to set it to like 46 over here, 80 on the tracking, between 30 and 40 on the flex, yeah. And basically natural vibrato, leave that as it is, don't touch it, leave that on 0, and humanize it 100%. Once you put that in, this will give you like this kind of sound. So it will make it sound, it will change it a bit, but it won't add that T-Pain kind of effect. It will just add this little bit of like vibrato kind of feeling to the sound, and already changed the sound a bit, just a little bit, not much, but just a bit. Can you hear that? Now sound Gunanizer, we're gonna add that to it on A, okay? And this is a Fruity FL Studio plugin, Sound Goodenizer, and you just want to set this to A and just enable that, and this will up the actual, you know, this will add a bit more, it will enhance the sound basically, and it is powered by Maximus in FL Studio, but it just does the perfect kind of, you know, effect. And then what I'm using is a Fruity Band multi-compressor, and you set this to, well, you can leave it at default, but I like to leave this at vocal effect, you know, or you can leave it at default, and this is the kind of sound you get. And then just a little bit of reverb, okay? Just put that reverb in, but don't overdo it. So just put that reverb in and set it to about 8%. I like to do it. And then once you put that in, you get this kind of effect now. You see that? So we start recording with these effects on now. So let's hit that and let's record it with these effects. And let's do it here at the beginning. Oh, actually, no, let's do it here on top of this.
Way, but I'm looking at the stars, the show.
See my angels keep calling. Alright, so there it goes. Yeah, see my angels keep calling, giving me signs and warnings, like straight to the zone. All my drillers in the back keep stalling. So you can see now we've got two different sounds. By the way, don't mind the beat peaking, it's not being masked or anything, so it is peaking a bit at the top, just ignore that. Now, let's listen to this now. See my angels keep calling. Alright, so there it goes. Yeah, see my angels keep calling, giving me signs and warnings, like straight to the zone. All my drillers in the back keep stalling. It sounds so off because I can hear myself when I speak, and it just like this weird kind of echo effect in my brain and the microphone. I don't know, it's just difficult to explain. It's like I'm talking over myself. Most people that have microphones and do this will understand. But basically, now that we've got this in, I've basically made another channel, okay, like channel 19, where I put this effect into, and then I changed this sound to sound like this. See my angels keep calling. Alright, so there it goes. Yeah, see my angels. So without the effect, look, just keep calling. It's giving me signs and warnings, like straight to the zone. All my drillers in the back. So what I've done is I cut the thickness away, and I made it, you know, pretty much what you have, what music artists use in like the music industry. They cut the highs down and stuff. So this is what we've done. I'm gonna give you the second secret to this. All right. So Izotope Ozone Equalizer. Okay. And we are using a pop Shen filter here. Okay. And basically what that does is it cuts off all the lows here at the beginning and just gives it a bit of a like a mid and high enhance, which is what you really want for, you know, for the actual vocals. Now, if you haven't got Izotope Ozone, I suggest you get it. I think there's Izotope Ozone 8 now, and I think 9. I'm still using the 5. You know, we'll have to update soon. Now, on top of that, bit more reverb, but here the wetness, drag it up to about 96%, and just give it about 5% on the actual mix. And then Fruity Band Multiband Compressor, add the vocal effect here. Just put it on vocal. Okay, again, yes, you're overlaying another vocal effect on top of that, and then do a Fruity Parametric EQ, yeah, and just set that to default. Well, I was gonna change a little bit of highs and stuff, so I don't think you even need that on it. Let's check it out.
Calling, giving me signs and warnings, like straight to the zone. All my drillers in a.
No, sorry, I didn't even do anything to that. I just left it. But obviously, look, if we take this off,
and warnings, like straight to the zone. All my drillers in the back keep.
See that? It gives you that little bit of a lift. Listen to this. Very important, that multi-band compressor.
See my angels keep calling, giving me signs.
Listen to this lift.
Like straight to the zone. All my drillers in the back keep stalling. Don't stop, don't stop. Shoot what you got, don't stop. No, Then I woke up, it was just a dream. I'm on some past out and smoke all the weed like, whoa, what's going on? It's just a dream, so you gotta let it go. So I put some shoes.
Just messing about with the echoes. Sorry for screaming down the microphone, just having a bit of fun here. But yeah, so this is basically how you add that XXXTENTACION kind of sound to FL Studio. If I taught you something and you get it, great. Hit that like button now. This is the actual secret, what I use. Now there's a lot of different ways and techniques what you guys can use. Obviously different beat, different track will have different, you know, different tone and different keys. You gotta find the right key. For this one, it was the B. You know, so I started off with the Sound Goodenizer on A and then Auto-Tune B, which kind of gives you that nice kind of...
See my angels keep calling, giving me signs and warnings, like straight to the zone. All my drillers in the back keep stalling. Don't stop, don't stop. Shoot what you got, don't flop. No. Then I woke up, it was just a dream. I'm on some past out and smoke all the weed like, whoa, what's going on?
I hope you like it, guys. Hit that subscribe button.
Let it go. So I put some shoes on and I walked to the bar. It's 2 miles away, but I'm looking at the stars, the show.
Now, if you guys like that, hit that like button. I have been told by many people that I actually sound like X, which is kind of weird. I hope I don't. But if I do, then that's great, because actually I hope I do. I don't even know if it's good or a bad thing, because, like, you know, he's died and rest in peace, because he's a legend, and I don't want to be like legend because he's just legend and I'm not. I'm just going on now. Oh, fuck it. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this, hit that like, subscribe. Before you go, release my new music video. Link is below. Check it out. Pavin Sonic Smoking, my first UK official track that I made. Yes, you will see me in the music video. Bloody hell. Yeah, check it out, hit a like, subscribe to my other channel. Apart from that, check us out on Producers Buzz. We've got loads of great drum kits. We are doing great things this year. You know, I'm going to be teaching you guys the secrets of, you know, believe it or not, when I made this track, the song, and I uploaded it on, you know, YouTube and stuff, I've got UK artists asking me who mastered it, who mixed and mastered it. I was like, I did it myself. I did it in FL Studio. Like, what? Really? Yeah, in my bedroom. So it is possible. If you know what you're doing and you do it right, you can do it in your bedroom. You can release a track from your bedroom, and that's what I did. So check that track out, that smoking track. Let me know what you think. Now, check us out here, Producers Buzz. Got loads of drum kits, got loads of great sounds coming, VSTs, plugins, everything. We've got the whole lot. Alright guys, apart from that, this is me. I'm out. Peace out. Subscribe. Boom.